Yeah, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying to do something like a little bit crazy. I don't know if it's crazy yet, but let's see how it goes. What I'm trying to do is that like I want to take a trade now with ChatGPT. Like the trade I will be taking in this video now will be from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be the one to tell us what to do, when to enter, the exact spot to enter, and where to take profit. Already I've sent the chart. Let me show you. I sent the chart to ChatGPT earlier, but I don't think it really got all the price correctly. So ChatGPT was just giving me price that is not tally with the one on the chart. So I just have to like I told him that this your analysis is not making sense. Are you sure you are getting the number correctly? So ChatGPT now let me play what he said.
You're right to double check. Let me confirm everything properly. Give me a clear price level where the current market is right now. That way I can refine the exact entry, SL, and TP.
Exactly. So I have to like screenshot the chart on my phone. Although today is Sunday, I don't know if you can see the chart, the dates here. Okay. Yeah, today is Sunday, 16th of March. So we can't trade currency pair. What we are trading now is crypto pair, which is near USDT. So I have to screenshot the chart on my phone for ChatGPT to get the exact price. So after that, this is what you have to say. Let me play this one also.
You've already missed the ideal entry. The break of structure and 50 EMA rejection were clear earlier. Now,
Okay.
two options. One, wait for a retest around 260, 2.62 to confirm a better reentry for a short. Two, if momentum is strong, enter now with a tight SL above 260 and aim for lower support zones, 250 or lower. Your call, but I'd prefer a retest for a cleaner entry.
Exactly. So this is what ChatGPT is saying. So ChatGPT was telling us that this is exact place we are supposed to enter. And we have missed the ideal entry. So we have to wait for a retest. Let me show you on 15-minute time frame. So this is where it said we are supposed to enter and we have missed the ideal entry. So we have to wait for a retest. But yeah, ChatGPT was giving us two options here. The first option is to wait for a retest, and the second option is to enter immediately. So I have to tell him that just be direct, that you are the one doing this thing. We are doing exactly what you said. Now this is what you have to say.
Wait for a retest at 2.60 minus 2.62 for a better short entry. If momentum stays strong, you can enter now with an SL above 260.
Okay, this is where ChatGPT is saying we should wait for. Yes, so this is where ChatGPT is telling us to wait for 2.60, yeah, or 2.62. So I told him that, so we'll wait. That means we are going to wait for exactly what he said. And this is what you have to say again.
Yes, wait for a retest around 2.60 minus 2.62 before shorting. If price rejects that level, enter with an SL above 263. If it keeps pushing up, reassess.
Exactly. So ChatGPT is telling us to wait for a retest. Now we are waiting for a retest. And it's been some hours since when they said we should wait, and we are still waiting. Let's see how it goes, and I will keep you updated. So since it's been about 4 hours that ChatGPT asked us to wait for a retest, I think I'll just like send this picture to him now, and let's see if it will still ask us to wait. Let me see. So now I'm just going to like screenshot this on my phone and send it to ChatGPT. Let's see what you have to say. Maybe you still tell us to keep waiting, or maybe the trade is gone already. I have it on my phone here. I can. So let's see what ChatGPT will say. I think the chat will update here. Okay, I've just sent the chat to ChatGPT again here on my phone, but it has updated there on the chat. So this is what ChatGPT has to say. Let's hear what it said.
Price has already tapped the supply zone and rejected. If it comes back for another retest and shows weakness, you can enter a sell. If it pushes above 2.62, invalidate the setup.
Okay, so now we are waiting for 2.62, but ChatGPT said price has already tapped the supply zone and rejected. Okay, yeah, this is what it meant. Like price start here and rejected. Now price is rejecting. If you come here, we can sell, and if it come here and we see rejection, we can sell from here. So that's what ChatGPT is saying. So now I'm going to like tell him that I'm recording this video and it should not focus up. So let's see what he's going to say. This is what I said. I said, all right, cool. Just so you know, I'm documenting this live on my YouTube channel. So don't focus up. Let's hear what you have to say.
Got it. Stay sharp. If price retests the zone and rejects again, take the sell with confidence. Keep SL tight above 2.62.
Exactly. So ChatGPT is giving us confidence that there's nothing to worry about. So let me tell ChatGPT to like say shout out to my viewers and also tell them to subscribe. So what did ChatGPT say? ChatGPT have a message for you guys.
Shout out to everyone watching. If you're enjoying this live breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Let's catch these moves together.
Exactly. So you heard it from the horse's mouth. ChatGPT said you should like, share, and subscribe. Let's catch this move together. So I will keep you guys updated. Stay sharp. Update. Price is now approaching our 2.6. Let me show you. You see, price is approaching our POI, our point of interest. So we will see if price is going to reject from here or not. Let's stay sharp. With that being said, let's wait for rejection. Fuck. What really happened is that after I recorded that last price action that I showed that price is going back to my POI. So I have to like go out to go do something, and since then I've not been able to like come back to my chat. So let me show you what happened on the chat. Then price get to where ChatGPT said and start selling off. I did we enter from here and put our stop loss where ChatGPT said we should put it. Let me see. So yeah, this is what ChatGPT said yesterday that
Yes, wait for a retest around 2.60 and 2.62 before shorting. If price rejects that level, enter with an SL above 2.63. If it keeps pushing up, reassess.
okay, ChatGPT said we should wait for it to see above 2.60 and 2.62 and put your stop loss at 2.63. So we would have entered from here when the price started rejecting, let's say here, now put our stop loss at 2.63 and take profit will be the next. No, this would have give us like a 1 to 2.45 risk ratio. But then I was not available like to take this trade. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to like screenshot this chart to ChatGPT now and let's see what you have to say now. And I'm going to tell him that I missed this entry, that I was not on seat when price gets here. So let's see what you have to say now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to screenshot the 15-minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame for ChatGPT to like analyze, and I'll like make mention that I missed yesterday move and today is another day. So this is what I'm going to send to ChatGPT. So I just upload my chart to ChatGPT. I uploaded the 1 hour time frame and the 15 minutes time frame to ChatGPT, so it can give us a better analysis. So this is what I have to say. So price get to our POI yesterday. Sorry, I meant to say POI yesterday, but I was not available to update you and to take the trade, which I take full responsibility. Now, this is the current situation of the market, and this is what ChatGPT have to say.
Yeah, price tapped into our POI, but since you weren't available, the trade setup was missed.
Okay.
Now, price is reacting around the previous level, but structure still looks valid. Let's see if it gives another entry confirmation. Stay sharp.
And then I ask, so what should we be looking for now? And this is what you have to say again.
Now we need to watch for 1. Rejection and weakness. If price struggles to break above the POI, it confirms bearish intent. 2. Break of structure BOA. A strong move below recent lows strengthens the sell bias. 3. Retest and entry. If price retests a broken level or EMA and rejects, it could be a good short entry. If price pushes higher and breaks the POI convincingly, we reconsider our bias. Stay patient and wait for confirmations.
So ChatGPT didn't still give us direct order. Then I need to remind him that this is 15-minute and one hour time frame. Like the chart I sent is the 15-minute and 1 hour time frame, so it can give us direct order because ChatGPT is the one handling everything here. And this is what he has to say.
Perfect. On 1HF, Price reacted to the POI but didn't fully break down. It's hovering around the key level. On 15M and TEF, structure is choppy but showing signs of distribution. What to watch now? 1. Break and retest of 255. If price rejects and drops, short on the retest. 2. Stronger breakdown below 252. This confirms bearish momentum. 3. Bullish case. If price closes above 258 with strength, reconsider shorts. Stay patient for clear confirmation.
So this is what ChatGPT have to say. Say if price reject from 255, here is 255. Price has already rejected from 255 here, and now we are waiting for it to break below 252 here. Yeah, 252 here. So now we wait. The moment it break below 252, I'm going to send the chart to ChatGPT and ask for what next to do. So for now, we stay patient. I just wait for confirmation. So we are not going to miss any trade today. What happened yesterday will never happen today. So stay tuned, please. Yeah, so the thing is, yesterday, as we are like monitoring our trade, I have power issues, so I was not able to like track the trade. So now this is another day, and price, let me show you what price is doing. So this is what we are watching yesterday, like if price break to here or break to here, but price break upward, and like now it's coming down. It's still very early in the morning though. This is 7:27, yeah, and this is the third day we are on this. But then I think we are going to like make some trade today. So let me just screenshot this chart and send it to ChatGPT to tell us the next move. Yeah, I have not been able to like trade. I'm having serious power issue here, but hopefully today will be better. So let me just like send this chart to ChatGPT. So this is the chart on my other phone. I'll just screenshot it for ChatGPT to like properly see the price action from here. So then I'll send it to ChatGPT straight. So I've sent it from my phone. I'll send it from my phone here, and we'll see what he has to say. So this is what ChatGPT have to say after sending the chart. Let's see.
Current analysis 1 HTF. 1. Rejection from POI. Price tested the supply zone, blue box, and dropped. 2. EMA 50 resistance. Price is struggling to stay above the 50 EMA, showing weakness. 3. Key support at 2.53. Price is hovering around this level. A clear break below signals more downside. 4. RSI weakness. RSI is heading lower, confirming bearish momentum. Next steps. Bearish bias. If price breaks below 2.53 with a strong close, expect continuation to 2.48 minus 2.45. Bullish reversal? Only if price reclaims 260 convincingly. Watch price action closely.
Okay, so what ChatGPT was trying to say is that price is rejecting below. So key support is 253. Let's look for 253. Where is 253 here? Let me adjust this one to 253. Okay, here is 253. Yeah, that's 253. So the next thing he said was, if price break below 253 with a strong close, expect continuation to 248 to 245. So where's 248? Where's 245? This is 248 here, 245. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT exactly what we should be looking for. What should we be looking for exactly? So this is what ChatGPT is saying.
What to look for next? Bearish confirmation. Break and retest of 2.53. If price closes below and retests as resistance, expect further momentum check. Watch if RSI stays weak below 50 and price struggles under the 50 EMA.
Okay.
Bullish reversal signs. Strong rejection from 2.53. A sharp bounce with high volume suggests buyers stepping in. Break above 260. If price reclaims this level, we shift bullish. Action plan. Short setup. If 2.53 breaks and holds, target 2.48, 2.45. Buy opportunity. Only if price holds above 2.53 with bullish confirmation. Stay patient and wait for clear signals.
Okay, so action planner is like we short if price break and hold target at 248. Okay, if price break here and hold target around there, so we short. So if price hold above this 253 here, we buy. So that's what we are watching for today. Today, no more excuses. We must I want to like take one live trade with this ChatGPT, and let's see how it goes. You guys should stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. Another thing that I noticed now is that price is breaking below this trend line. When this 1 hour candle close, I'm going to like send the chart to ChatGPT again and tell us what to do. Maybe we enter the trade soon, but we still have to wait for confirmation as ChatGPT says. So we are only following ChatGPT orders, so we are not rushing. So let's stay tuned. Update. So me and sorry, I'm having some kind of, I don't know, is it Apollo or something? Yeah, this place is like putting badly. So yeah. But then I have been talking to ChatGPT since. Let me just like show what we have been talking about because there might be a clear entry soon now. This is 15-minute time frame and there might be a clear entry. Let me just show you what we have been talking about. Firstly, this is where I was just updating the chat about the price action, and here I sent another chat. Here I asked him for the next call of action, maybe when we are going to enter or something, and this is what you have to say.
Next steps. Wait for confirmation. 1. Break below 2.52, bearish scenario. Wait for a 1H close below 2.52 to confirm breakdown. Enter short at retest of 2.52, 2.53, targeting 2.48 to 2.45. Stop loss above 2.55. 2. Bounce from 2.52, bullish scenario. Look for a strong bullish rejection, long wick plus volume. Enter long above 2.54, targeting 1.58 minus 2.60. Stop loss below 2.31. For now, wait. Entry depends on the next 1H candle. I'll confirm when to act.
So even assures that it will confirm when to add. So it said entry depend on 1H candle confirmation. So after the 1 hour candle close, then I send this one. This is a clearer chart. I didn't know I can screenshot directly from ChatGPT from my system. So I sent this to him and this is what you have to say.
I see price rejecting the previous support zone around SANA 2.514 while still respecting the larger trendline structure. The 50 EMA is acting as resistance, and RSI is around 40, showing weak momentum. For now, a clear break and close below 2.513 on the 15 Ms or 1H could confirm further downside. If price struggles to break lower and forms a bullish structure, a bounce could be possible. Let me know if you want an exact entry trigger or wait for further confirmation.
So I asked, where should we enter Gongon exactly? So yeah, this is what he has to say.
Wait for a clear break and close below 2.514 on the 15 ME or 1H time frame. Short entry after a retest of 2.5114 as resistance. Target around 2.450 is 2.430. Stop loss above 2.550 or based on structure. If price fails to break below and forms bullish structure, we reassess for a bounce.
Okay.
Let me know if you want a safer confirmation.
Okay, let me ask for a safer confirmation. Yes, please. You see, this chart is crazy, man.
For a safer entry, wait for 1H candle close below 2.54 knee.
Okay.
Retest of 2.54 as resistance with bearish rejection, wick plus small body.
Okay.
Break of minor trend line or EMA 50 rejection on 5 ME 15 meters.
Okay.
Once these align, enter a short with TP 2.45 U minus 2.430 U. SL above 2.550 or last swing high.
Okay.
If price bounces instead, we reassess for a possible long.
Okay.
Let's watch how the next few candles form.
All right. So let's just highlight what ChatGPT is saying on the chart. So firstly, when price break below 2.515, we will take our entry immediately. Below this line, we take our entry. And our stop loss will be 2.550. Where is 2.550? Our stop loss will be here. Or next swing high. I did prefer to put it here. Next swing high. Let me just, this place will be more safer for me. So let's see. And take profit will be 2450. And no, this is just like a 1-to-1 risk ratio. But let's wait and see. Although if we put the stop loss where ChatGPT asks us to put it, 2.550, there will be more room for a year. And this will be like 1-to-2 risk ratio. So this is what we are working with now. We wait for the break of this line. After this, then we enter. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, it's been like 2 days since I updated this video. The last analysis we did with ChatGPT was on Tuesday, and today is Thursday, and it's already late in the night already. Around this like 7:30. Yeah. So we are not able to like take any trade since then because I think the price is a little, no, it's not even a little, the price is sure big, and there has been like a lot of consolidation here and there. Let me show you. So if you draw this like this, you will see that the price has been consolidating. Although we are looking for a sell, but we had a breakout here yesterday, and this is a retest now. But throughout that yesterday, let me show you what ChatGPT have to say, because ChatGPT make sure that like we didn't take a wrong trade. This was like I sent this chart yesterday when this is about to break. The price even break below our entry, so I was like, I wanted to enter here and put my stop loss here, but ChatGPT said no, that the price is not like, let me play what you have to say.
The 1H candle is testing 2.506 support. Hashed entry confirmation. Break and retest. If 2.506 breaks and retests as resistance, enter short. Rejection. If it wicks back up, wait for a better entry. Setup. Short entry. Below 2.500 after a solid close. TP. 2.450, 2.43. SL above 2.540 or last swing high. Let's watch the next candle's reaction.
Exactly. So I was like, before I send this chart, I was like about to enter the trade, but ChatGPT said no, don't enter, not yet. See, I even asked, we can't enter now, and he said no, not yet. Let me play it for you.
Not yet. 2.506 is key support.
Exactly.
If it closes below and retests as resistance, we enter short. If it bounces, we wait. Let's give it one more candle to confirm.
I almost entered this trade because I have been waiting for long. See, you see why this ChatGPT is like, it's a very great idea, like to start using with your trading analysis. So I said okay, cool, and he said perfect. Let me play.
Perfect. Let's stay patient and wait for confirmation. I'll update you on the next move.
So I now said we will look for entry that can give us 1-3 risk ratio or 1-5 risk ratio, and he said yes, blah 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 blah. So after that, you can see the price rejected. Imagine I enter from here, it will be a loss for me, because I want to enter here and put my stop loss somewhere here. Exactly. So it will be a loss. So I sent him this chart also, and he said
price is showing some bullish momentum after bouncing from the 2.55 zone.
exactly.
If you're looking for a short entry, we might need a stronger rejection or a break of structure downward. If bullish continuation happens, the 2.65 to 2.70 zone could be the next key level to watch. What's your bias now?
So the chat asked me what's my bias, and I asked, what is your own bias? Because you are the one handling, like we are following whatever you say. So you don't need to ask me for my own bias. Tell me your own bias. So this is what you have to say about his own bias.
Right now, I'm neutral but leaning slightly bullish in the short term. Price held support around 2.55 and is pushing up. The EMA is still above price, meaning the overall trend is bearish. There's a strong supply zone around 2.65 to 2.70, which could act as resistance. Two possible plays. One, bullish. If price breaks and holds above 260, it could retest 265 to 2.70. Two, bearish. If price rejects 260 or 265 with strong wicks and bearish structure, we could look for a short entry back to 250 or lower. For now, I'd wait for a clearer setup before committing to a trade.
You see, ChatGPT was telling me here that right now I'm neutral, but I'm leaning slightly bullish. Like ChatGPT already saw that price is about to like buy, but he's not sure. He didn't give me like direct confirmation. So even myself, I was thinking like my own bias is like sell. So I was not even thinking about any buy setup or something like that. So that's why I didn't really bother about looking for buy setup or something. So yeah, I told him that don't forget you are making all the decisions. So, and he said this.
Right now, price is reacting around 2.550, which was previously support. If we see a strong rejection and bearish momentum, we can look for a sell with a target around 2.450. But if price breaks and holds above 2.600, we shift bullish and target 2.700. Let's wait for confirmation.
So the chat asked us to like wait for confirmation, and then I asked what level should we be looking out for here. So, and he said this.
Bearish scenario. Watch 2.5 factored. If price rejects strongly, we can sell targeting 2.450. Bullish scenario. A break and hold above 2.600 confirms upside momentum, targeting 2.700. For now, we wait for price reaction at these levels.
So then price started buying, and I sent the chart to him, and this is what he has to say.
Price broke above 2.600 and is now testing 2.630. If it holds above 2.600, we can target 2.700 blue zone. For confirmation, a strong 1H close above 2.630 increases bullish momentum. If it rejects, we may see a pullback to 26600 or 2.550.
But for me, because like the 2.600 to 2.700 is not like, it's not a big gap, so I don't want to like enter the trade because it won't give me good profit. So that's why I didn't really like put my mind on it. And then price broke this resistance and also broke this trend line upward, and I sent the chart to him and like, why don't you give me this trade now? See, this trade is going, and this is what ChatGPT is saying.
Price has broken the previous resistance around 2.700
Exactly.
and is now testing 2.7.
Exactly 2.700. That's where ChatGPT said our target should be if we enter from where price was before, but I didn't enter.
And is now testing 2.732. Key levels to watch. Upside. Next resistance around 2.8800 minus 2.850. Trend line and previous supply zone. Downside. If rejected, expect a retest of 2.700 or 2.600 for support confirmation. RSI is overbought, so a pullback is possible before continuation.
So then I asked the chart that when are we taking trade, so he just told me that I should wait for a retest. But currently the retest is now happening now. You can see there's a retest here, and maybe probably the price might break this minor trend line and start buying. But then let me hear what you have to say here first.
Wait for a retest of 2.700 or a clean break above 2.750 with strong momentum. Entry options. Long, if 2.7 holds as support after a pullback. Short, if price rejects 2.750, that's 2.800 with strong bearish confirmation. Let's monitor how it reacts in the next few candles.
So ChatGPT was saying that we should long when price retests 2.700, which is around this place. Yeah, 2.700 is around this place. Price just gets here. I don't think there's a big rejection here, but I will still wait for confirmation. So that's what we are waiting for now. We might be taking a trade, but I think this video is getting too long, so I think I'll just have to like do a part 2 of all this. Like, this thing is getting very interesting. Like, you can see that this ChatGPT is very useful to like analyze trade for people like me that I don't really have anybody that I share my trade with. I only analyze alone, I do my thing alone. I don't have any trade partner or something that I share my trade with. So this one is like a big help for me now that I can use. And the good thing about this ChatGPT now is that you can tell him or her or anyone. My own is a male, so I've given my own a name already, so it's a male. So you can tell him exactly how your strategy works, and it will analyze the chart based on your own strategy. Although this analysis that is doing now is not my own strategy, it's just like analyzing it with whatever strategy that is programmed on his head, or I don't know. It's not my own. It's not my normal strategy. But then you can teach him, or you can explain your own strategy to ChatGPT, and it will analyze the chart based on your strategy. So it's a good thing. Like, this thing is getting interesting. But then watch out for part 2. Like, if you want to see me take a live trade with ChatGPT, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification. Also like this video and share to other people, so they can also like learn 1 or 2 things from this video. Thanks. I will see you in part 2. Peace.